Hey, welcome back to TSC Connect. Today we're speaking with one of our staff members, Seika. And Seika had scoliosis as a teenager and had spinal fusion surgery a couple years ago. And today, Seika shares her top things to pack when preparing for a hospital stay following spinal fusion surgery. Enjoy! First of all, most people experience some level of discomfort following the surgery. So what do you suggest for that?
I definitely recommend bringing some pillows. Hospital pillows can be uncomfortable post-op, and they're also essential for the car ride home. Have one big pillow to support your back and another small one to help adjust any uncomfortable positions. P.S. If you get cold, bring a blanket. It can be very comforting.
How about toiletries?
Toiletries. Don't forget your toothbrush and toothpaste, as you will be monitored for a few days in the hospital. Some face moisturizer can be great as well, as it can be quite dry in the hospital with a lot of ventilation. And also bring a hair comb and a brush. You'll be lying down lots, so hair can get stuck in the wires and tape.
So you mentioned preparing your hair. So do you have any suggestions for people who have long hair about how they can, style their hair as they're leading into the surgery?
Yeah, for sure. That's a really good question. I'd definitely recommend having French braids starting from the top of your head all the way to the bottom. So this helps keep all the flyaways away from your spine and helps the surgeon really get access.
Often in the first few days in the hospital, a part of that time is that you have to do physiotherapy sessions to help you get up and moving again. So was there anything that you brought or you thought of to help you be successful for those sessions?
Yeah, for sure. I definitely recommend you bring slip-on shoes with good grip. They're super helpful, so you don't have to bend over to tie your laces or fix straps for physio and also for your walk home as well.
Okay. How about socks? Did you bring any socks or grippy socks? Any suggestions
Yeah,
like that?
for sure. Having grippy socks are a great idea to bring as well because they can keep your toes warm and also provide you some support. So when you're walking, you're not going to slip and fall.
Did you wear a hospital gown the whole time?
So for the days that I was at the hospital, yes. But for the ride home, I changed into really comfy clothing. So what I did was I brought a set of loose fitting clothes to wear on my discharge day. This included a big baggy shirt with a wide neck, so it was really easy to go through my head. And then I also brought loose fitting pants. I also brought an extra set of underwear. And as you mentioned earlier, I brought lots of comfy socks with me.
Days in the hospital can feel pretty long. How'd you keep yourself busy?
I definitely brought some form of entertainment. I brought my iPhone, I brought my iPad, but I also brought my charger, which is really important. I also brought a book and some knitting items. Anything that helps you feel comfortable and relaxed, don't hesitate to bring them.
Great. Thanks for sharing all those top ideas. If anyone has any other ideas for items that you should add to your packing bag, just leave them in the comments below so we can share this with other people who are watching. Thanks so much. See you next time.
Thank you. Bye.